Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Anisanti Sharin and my supervisor is Ms. Ku Azinaku Akil. So today I will present about my proposal title, which is Fuzzy-Topsis to rank factors influencing the failure rate of calculus 2 and ordinary differential equations. So in the chapter 1, I will present about background of the study, problem statement, objective of the study, scope and limitation, also significance of the study. For the background of the study, calculus 2 and ordinary differential equations are core subjects for CS248 and AS203 students in UiTM Perlis. Most of them have strong backgrounds in mathematics during their matriculations or diploma courses. To enroll in CS248 and AS203 programs, students must pass a certain requirement, which is to enroll in CS248. Students must have a diploma in one of the field of statistics or actuarial science or mathematical science and have a minimum GPA of 2.5. And also to enroll in AS203, students must have a diploma in science and technology or engineering with minimum GPA of 2. According to the UiTM study plan, if students want to register for the Calculus 2, students need to pass Calculus 1 first. Likewise, if students want to register for the ordinary differential equations, they must pass for the Calculus 2 first. So, the issues is starting for the last 2 semesters, which is October-February 2023 semester to the March-July 2023 semester, it found that the percentage of failure rate has been increased. As it stated in the figure 3.1, it found that 36% failure rate for CS248 students for the subject Calculus 2 in March-July 2023 semester, and 23% of CS248 students and also 38% of AS203 students didn't pass for the ordinary differential equations course in the semester from March-July 2023. And also, in the semester October to July 2023, the failure rate were 59% for CS248 students and 47% for AS203 students, which is very high. This research made for Calculus 2 and ordinary differential equation because the failure rate is highest compared to other courses. If students continue to make the same mistake, students will have to face extended full-time mode so that they will not able to graduate on time, and also it will give impact to university and faculty because KPI not achieved. Next, the objective of the study is to rank the factors influencing the failure rate of the subject Calculus 2 and also ordinary differential equations for CS248 and AS203 students in UiTM Perlis by using Fuzzy-Topsis. And for the specific objective is to identify the factors that influence the failure rate of Calculus 2 and ordinary differential equation. Next, for the scope and limitation of the study, these students at UiTM Perlis enrolled in two CS248 and AS203 who studied Calculus 2 and ordinary differential equations. And also the decision maker, which is Madam Zulina, Madam Nurzila, and also Ms. Ku Azinaku. For the significance of the study, it will give an impact to the students, lecturers, university, and faculty. Also parents. For the students, they will graduate on time. For the lecturers, it can help the lecturer to improve his or her teaching style. Next, for the university and faculty, it will achieve. And lastly, for the parents, it will enable to provide more informed support at home. Next, for the chapter 2, which is literature review, I present about two things, which is factors influencing mathematics failure rates among teenagers and also fuzzy method for ranking. Next, for the factors influencing mathematics failure rate among teenagers, in this study we have 4 criteria and 11 sub-criteria, which is the 4 criteria is educational background of the study, students' motivations, prior achievement, and also students' environment. Next, fuzzy method for ranking. In this study, it highlights 3 methods for ranking, which is Fuzzy-Topsis, Fuzzy AHP, and also Fuzzy Prometi. The applications of Fuzzy-Topsis, firstly by Hussein et al. 2021, which is the authors rank the most significant factors in the frequency of floods in Kedah, Malaysia. Factors considered is rainfall, drainage system, type of soil, and also slope of the basin. Secondly is Pao et al. 2023. The authors ranking COVID-19 vaccines. They have 6 main criteria based on various complexity, efficiency, cost considerations, safety, availability, and also regulatory approval. The last application for Fuzzy-Topsis is ranking with energy converters by NADA 2022. The challenges in with energy converter design is various designs with distinct working principles, installation costs, maintenance requirements, and also environmental impacts. The advantages of Fuzzy-Topsis is effectively handles imprecise and uncertain information. The disadvantage of Fuzzy-Topsis which is the application of fuzzy toxin may be complex, especially in scenarios with numerous criteria. Next, the applications of fuzzy AHP. The authors conduct a study which is supplier development validation. This study is to evaluate and rank practice in supplier development programs. Next, Chawla et al. 2021 applied the fuzzy AHP to evaluation of green operations management. The advantages of fuzzy AHP is demonstrated versatility and applicability in various selection problem scenarios. The disadvantages of fuzzy AHP is implementing fuzzy AHP can be complex, particularly when dealing with many criteria or alternatives. Lastly, fuzzy probability. The study was conducted by Al-Bahman and Duleba 2023. The authors using fuzzy toxins for public transport mode choice analysis. Next, a case study by Felix and Davey 2023. The authors conduct a study which is medical ventilator selection for critical stage COVID patients. The advantages of fuzzy probability is considers both the meaning and range of group reference, and the disadvantage of fuzzy probability is heavily relief on subjective assessment, making it sensitive to individual judgment. This study will use an approach of the fuzzy toxins to rank factors influencing failure rate in the selected and the graded mathematics subject in UiT and Perlis. Lastly, I will present about chapter 3, which is methodology. In the methodology, it consists two parts, which is data collections and also data analysis. For the data collections, firstly construct two questionnaires. Next, conduct a pilot study to ensure the effectiveness and clarity of the questionnaires. Lastly, distributions method, which is finalize questionnaires distribute to the target participant using Google Forms. Next, data analysis to rank the sub-criteria based on criteria by using fuzzy toxins. Step 1 is decision makers use linguistic variable in table 3.1 to assess the sub-criteria according to the criteria. In the first step of fuzzy toxins method, decision matrix should be generated. In the step number 2, there are various types of information with different scale on each sub-criteria in decision matrix. To obtain the comparable scale and normalize fuzzy decision matrix, linear scale transformation is used as equation 3.5 and equation 3.6. Next, in the step number 3, since each criteria has different weight, weighted normalized fuzzy decision matrix is formed as equation 3.7. In the step number 4, with the help of the decision matrix, fuzzy positive and fuzzy negative ideal bond is determined as equations 3.8 and equation 3.9. Next, in the step number 5, after calculations of the ideal solutions, the distance between ideal solution points and sub-criteria is carried as shown in the equation 3.10 and also equation 3.11. And in the last step, a closeness coefficient is calculated to rank the sub-criteria by using equations 3.12. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.